Go viral with TikTok trends. Learn about how trends are dominating this app and how to capitalize on trends. Trends matter on this app. Those that spot trends and incorporate them will have a huge advantage in succeeding. If an audio clip is gaining popularity, jump on this opportunity and your video could go viral. When viewers recognize the trend that you are referring to, it's like an inside joke. The app will keep sharing it with bigger groups if people are relating to your trend. New memes and trends are popping up frequently. In order to master this concept, spend 20 to 40 minutes each day for several weeks, skimming the For You page, and you will spot recurring themes and patterns. At this time, you will understand the TikTok culture. Trending on TikTok. So, number 1, memes. TikTokers can be found making fun of themselves in embarrassing ways in public, performing silly pranks, doing skits. Meme culture falls perfectly into the lap of the TikTok community. If you see something funny, make a video about it because it could make you go viral. It's no secret that memes are getting traction on TikTok, so take advantage of this. Make fun of other videos or pop culture references. Number 2, hashtag challenges. The purpose is to unite TikTok's users by connecting with the content ecosystem. Users record themselves attempting to perform a challenge and typically challenge others to do the same. For example, Jimmy Fallon on The Tonight Show set up the Tumbleweed Challenge, where people roll on the ground acting like a tumbleweed while playing Western music. This challenge went viral. Brands and influencers are creating challenges by posting a video with an easy hashtag. If you create your own hashtag, tag brands, influencers, and users to grow interest and gain momentum. Several viral hashtag challenges include the Haribo Challenge. Organize hundreds of gummy bears into a crowd while Someone Like You by Adele plays in the background. The Raindrop Challenge. Adding dramatic visual effects that mimic a rain shower and stopping the rain while perfectly timing it with music beats. The Fake Travel Challenge. Using everyday objects and pictures to mimic travel photos to comedic effect. Number 3, use hashtags to develop a series. Ultimately, users can find content based on hashtag, giving people an opportunity to easily discover new content in time, as if you are following your favorite TV series. Brands have leveraged this concept by paying an influencer to create an initial video on their own account that generates curiosity and gets viewers hooked, making fans excited to see what's to come. The next video would be posted on a brand or company account with the same hashtag. Essentially, the influencer is driving their followers to this company account with this cheeky takeover.